process of a rifle B&H photo. And when I saw the size of this package, I was like, what is this? Why is it so large just for two tiny things? Well, I don't know. I'm gonna open it up and find out. It was like, really? It just has me surprised that it's so large. Like, why? I'm pretty sure the packages for microSD cards aren't that big. Or are they? I don't know. Like I say, I'm gonna open this. I think that's all I need to do. And yes, I was right. Look how tiny they are, and look how big this is. Like, wow. Okay, let's look inside. I guess here like a receipt. Take that off. Take that out. And here it is. Is this the extreme 120? Yeah, it better be 120 gigs. If it isn't, then I will scream, ramp, rage, self-destruct. No, I'm kidding. I'm just talking out some nonsense here. Alright, so let's get a picture of these two. I think that's pretty much all I guess I need to do. Actually, no, I'm not going to do the video just here. You know, I'm going to do more things. So, okay, we can read and take a look at the back. Waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof. It'll tell you like the speed or whatever. Then all this other information here. Card made in China. Some America's stuff. Same thing here, obviously, it's the exact same thing, exact same storage size. They say speeds up to 100 megabytes per second read and 90 megabytes second write. Originally, I wanted to get the Extreme Plus, but for some reason, that's actually very hard to get a hold of. I don't know why. Even like at Best Buy, getting a hold of the Extreme Plus. Well, I don't know. I think at one point they used to have done. Some people are saying they did, and some people are saying that they did not. I think one person even said that they ordered the Plus, but then ended up getting the regular Extreme. What's the difference between the two? I don't know. I think the Extreme Plus is supposed to obviously be faster. This one does have A2 for faster uploading and performance. I'm not sure if that's actually true. Well, thankfully I do have a Windows phone, because if you don't have a Windows phone or Android phone, you're never going to really use it. So the only other operating system that has microSD cards would be BlackBerry OS 10. But the problem with that is that you cannot load an application onto your SD card slot in BlackBerry 10. It's either Android or Windows Phone. But for Android, they have to support adaptable storage. I know some of them, these manufacturers do, some of them don't. I think up to very recently, Samsung did not support it, although I hear that now they're starting to do it. I don't know if they started doing it back in January, February, who knows, you can't quote me on that one. The Windows Phone, I put it somewhere. Is it? Yes. Here it is. This is the guy that I'm actually going to be testing it in. And like I have my camera, actually I might as well do that. So yeah, make the video more interesting. That's if I can find a SIM injection tool around here. If I can, oh perfect, okay. Try it out. Because if I'm gonna just be rambling about this and that or whatever, I might as well actually hold on a second. No, I can't try it just yet, because I just remember that I do have some applications in here and that I have to go into the phone and make sure that it's safe to eject, because you know how it is with Microsoft. You have to do it safely. So I should just pause the video, go into the phone and get that done. Okay, so after going through some rigmarole, I'm back now and we can get this set up. Where is it? Okay, it should be here. Let's poke it in, get it out. Chromosphere is running in the background if you're hearing some sound effects and music in that game. In case anybody's curious. Is that the... Nope, that's the SIM slot. Made a boo-boo right there. Okay, yikes, I don't want to break it. So I need to get a proper SIM ejection tool. I think I have something better. I should probably use something better than that, because I don't want to break anything. If it breaks, then that's not going to be good. Not going to be good at all. Okay. Well, it's a good thing I wasn't showing anything on camera there, because I was just sticking the SIM in the wrong way. Let's see if I have a better tool around here. Yes, I think this should work. Actually, it looks way too thick. Yeah, no, that is not going to work. So I'll just have to take that out. Let's see how it goes. Am I in frame? All right, now I'm in frame. So I want to see all the action. It's no good to be saying this and that when not even in frame, and I really need a better sim tool because this is such a pain to get this into. If only they just made phones with easy, simple, removable backs, man. Okay, so alright, I'll just attempt this one more time, and if I don't get in, then I'll just have to call it quits to this video because there's no point in watching me struggle to get into this thing. What a pain, what a pain. Okay, so I finally got it out. Whew, goodness gracious, that was difficult. Darn. Look at this. I was like bent and whatever. Well, you know, I'll be able to get it back in, but whatever. Just really wanted to get this in to see if it works. See if I get the 128 and whatever. Okay, so now getting into this is going to be another challenge. Actually, I could easily just cut it. Or I could just, actually, no, yeah, let me just cut it. I've been messing around and just rambling about this and that too much, so let's just, what am I doing? Just cut right in. Have to return it, then I'll just say, hey, I have to get in because I don't know what's supposed to be the sophisticated way to get into these. You know, this looks totally savage. I feel like I'm just brutalizing it. Alright, here we go. So, these are the cards. Oh no, this is the adapter, and then this is the card here. Love how gorgeous this camera is. Resolution and everything, so let's get into this. Wait, is there an open here thing? I think you can see it faintly here. No? Okay, no, there isn't. If there isn't, I'm not going to bother wasting time. Let's just cut into this. Man, I really don't want these things being tampered with really easily now, do they? Oh, I feel like such a savage here, but you know, it's just really hard to get into, so you just got to do what you got to do. I don't know what's going to happen if I have to ever return it. I just sabotage it so bad. Like really badly. Just trying to get in so quickly. Okay, and there it is. So let's get this in now. Previously from before, I had a Samsung 64 Evo. You can compare the two. Just like that. Okay. So I'll put the Samsung aside. I'm gonna put the SanDisk in. Now, of course, when I'm done with the video, I'm gonna have to actually put it back in because I need to take some files off of it. I just want to see if this works though. Okay, in you go. And let's hope you work very well. What's it doing? Alright, let's just check the storage now, see if it recognizes it. Where is storage? I'll be further up. We'll go to... No, I do not see it, and I'm not sure why. I will figure out what's going on off camera. I will drop links to these below. Got them off of B&H Photo. Very good place to work with. You also get like a wide variety of phones and other electronics, so they're definitely worth checking out. Okay, let's get the BlackBerry Passport a shot here. Let's see if it actually works inside of it. So we'll start by popping this off. Drop the card in it because I know it'll more readily take 128 gigs. I think the Lumia, I'm not so sure about it. Okay, so it just said media card inserted, and now we'll just have to wait for it to register, I suppose. Meantime, oh, there we go. The card is ready for use. So yeah, for the Lumia, it looks like I'm gonna have to configure something. I don't know, maybe format it even to get it to work. But it's good to know that it actually works. If your device readily supports 120 gigs and up, then it shouldn't be an issue. But for this guy, because he's a little bit older, it's no surprise why it didn't work. I think at its time it readily took 64 gigabytes, which is kind of strange for a flagship even for 2014. No, 13. Yeah, it was 2013 device. Why only 64 gigabytes? I have no idea, but I find that very strange. It should have been at least 120 gigabytes for a flagship on Snapdragon 800. Happy 2019 New Year! Did you like this video? Which brand of microSD cards do you prefer? Or does your phone even have expandable memory? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, shop there, affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner inside the I circle. Seriously, all smartphones should have expandable memory regardless of how much inbuilt storage these modern flagships have. And now I'm out.